the cordless polisher makes it extremely much more convenient when it comes to doing your paint correction process. Adams Polish's 12mm cordless polisher is an extremely convenient way to be able to perform a paint correction on your car without being tied to an outlet and needing a power cord. Now let's jump into the specs of this polisher. It comes with a 5.0 amp hour battery and a 2.5 amp hour battery. Now the 2.5 amp hour battery is going to give you approximately 30 to 45 minutes of runtime. And with the 5.0 amp hour battery, it essentially doubles that. So you're going to get an hour to an hour and a half worth of runtime, which is more than enough to be able to use the polisher and have a battery charging. So you can use the polisher for an extended period of time. Now the batteries also have a very fast charging time. They charge in about 15 minutes, which if you're going to be using the polisher for 30 to 45 minutes, it's enough time to be able to swap batteries while you're doing your paint correction. The batteries also have overcharge protection. So once they get fully charged on the charger turns off, so you don't risk damaging the batteries or them overheating. Now the polisher runs from 4,000 to 7,000 oscillations per minute. So more than enough power to be able to get your paint correction done and get a perfect finish. Now there's a couple cool features to this polisher that I do want to touch on. It has a power button here, so you can actually turn the polisher completely off. So when you're not using it, even if you hit the trigger, it's not going to turn on. You actually have to power the machine on before you pull the trigger and it starts. Now, one thing that's very, very noticeable about this polisher is how quiet it is. When I pull the trigger, this is at speed setting 4, you can just hear how quiet this machine is. It has multiple speed settings with the plus and minus buttons to be able to up your speed or lower your speed. And just like all the polishers we offer, it has speed setting 1 through 6. Now, another cool feature to this is if you pull the trigger twice, it will turn the machine on and run continuous. So you don't have to hold the trigger all the time while you're using it. And then when you pull the trigger, it just simply turns off or stops running, and then you can turn the power off. So if you hit the button, it's not going to turn on. Now, another cool thing about this polisher is it's a direct drive motor. So the electric motor sits right here and you get all the torque and power directly to the backing plate to power those oscillations. And with the electric motor in the head up here, paired with the battery at the back, it balances the machine very, very well. So it's very comfortable to be able to use and do your paint correction process. Now, another cool thing with the cordless 12mm polisher is it comes with a case, which you see here, and that houses both your batteries, your charger, and the polisher. Now, with the cordless 12mm polisher, you can get it with the unit only, or you can get it in a basic kit, which gives you pretty much everything here except the towels. And you can also get it with the complete kit, which comes with pretty much everything you need to do the polishing. So pads, compound polish, you even get some towels, you get detail spray, you even get towel and pad revitalizer to be able to clean your pads after you're done. Plus, it comes with an 8-bottle bag kit to hold all of your polishing tools and formulas. So you can take the 8-bottle bag kit with your pads and compounds of polish, and then you have the carrying case for the machine itself. Now, traditionally with machine polishers, they had a cord that you have to plug into an outlet. So you had constant power all the time. But with the advancement in technology, we have the cordless polisher, which makes it extremely much more convenient when it comes to doing your paint correction process. So like I said before, you can essentially polish anytime and anywhere. You are not confined to a garage or needing a power outlet. So if you're a mobile detailer, you can do paint correction anywhere. You don't need a power source or a generator. If you live in an apartment or a condo or you don't have access to a garage, doesn't matter. The cordless polisher allows you to be able to do the paint correction process anywhere. So when it comes to convenience and it comes to performance, the 12mm cordless polisher is the right machine for you.